Good Friday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is the video forecast discussion for Friday, the 11th of July, 2014. Few high and middle clouds across the forecast region this morning, generally clearing out to the north, and drier dew points too. Notice this as the front has sunken well to our south now. All the air is out of the north and northeast becoming onshore here. Temperatures are ranging in the low to the mid 60s, although in central and southern New Jersey they're still in the upper 60s to lower 70s, where the dew points are a little bit higher there, but the dew points are coming down nicely. They range with a cool marine air mass in place. The dew points are in the 40s in the Hudson River and Connecticut River valleys into the New York City metropolitan area, and then the dew points rise into the mid 60s across central New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, the Delaware River here, and into northern Delaware and northern Delmarva region as well, with dew points in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Morning pass of the visible satellite imagery this morning shows what's left over of the cold front well to our south and east off the coast now. Drier air in place with a marine layer, bringing in northeasterly winds and cooler and drier conditions. And we can see plenty of dry air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere over the entire New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metro area this morning. And on the radar, what's left of the frontal boundary with showers and thunderstorms well removed from our forecast region. And the broadcasting of pollen for today right through early next week continues in the low to the medium side, and the grasses, plantain, and chenopod's are basically the predominant pollens in the air. For the aviational weather deck today, we have basically VFR conditions across the interior here, southeastern New York, Long Island, Connecticut, northern New Jersey, New York City metro area out towards Long Island. A little bit of MVFR or limited IFR conditions here at Miller Airspace. We have a little bit of fog. Visibility's there being reduced. Also at Atlantic City with some fog. Millville has a little bit of fog this morning. Wildwood has a little bit of fog. We get down to Ocean City, Maryland, and they have some fog this morning too, reduced. Expecting a northeast to southeast wind flow across the region, and basically VFR conditions for tomorrow outside of localized IFR or MVFR early and some fog and across the region, and then VFR conditions, mainly VFR at times, maybe IFR on Sunday and Monday with showers and thunderstorms interior sections away from most of the major terminals here. And then Tuesday, a better chance of organized showers and thunderstorms. A cold front arrives, and those storms could produce some strong gusty winds. Right now outside of Newark, it's basically overcast, but clearing is on the way. Scattered clouds at 12,000, broken at 20,000. It's the ceilometer there. Temperature 73, dew point 56. Humidity 55%, VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia, same thing. 72 degrees, dew point 62, humidity 71%. The wind is northwest at 8. A few clouds at 18,000, a few at 25,000 with VFR conditions. NAM Wharf composite reflectivity forecast going into the future. Lots of sunshine around the region today. Nice day. Temperatures cooler right along the coast with an onshore flow in the upper 70s. And refreshing air mass in place from off the coastal waters. Temperatures inland will get into the low and mid 80s, just around seasonal levels for this time of the year. Same thing again tomorrow. Lots of sunshine after any fog or low stratus around the coast burns off. Saturday is going to be a nice day. Temperatures generally running in the 70s right along the coast, mid and upper 80s across the interior regions. Pretty normal weather for summertime. Then a deep trough is going to develop and begin deepening across southern Canada and the Great Lakes later in the period of the weekend, and this will promote a warm front developing to our south and west, and that means scattered showers and thunderstorms could be moving into a portion of our area, western sections, with more cloud cover developing across the region on Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon. Could find some showers and thunderstorms already popping across Pennsylvania, the Delaware Water Gap here by early on Sunday morning, and then propagating eastward through at least portions of the region on Sunday afternoon. So this weekend may be dry for most regions, and that would be a seventh or eighth consecutive one in a row, but for some regions it's not going to be as clear cut. We don't have any airport delays. We don't have land or sea watches, warnings, or advisories, and we don't have any tropical storms either. So we just have the forecast going into motion from the GFS now. And if we start this out, high pressure is in control across the region today, and will be in so for the next couple of days, at least for the early part of the weekend as it makes its way offshore. We have to watch this deep trough developing across Hudson's Bay, Canada, and driving down southeast across the northeastern United States. A warm front will be developing. Showers and thunderstorms and a much moister and unstable air mass will be in place by Sunday night and Monday morning, increasing the chances for heavy downpours, strong winds, and hail in any of these showers and thunderstorms as shortwave maxes round the base of the trough, and this deep low here in southeastern Canada pulls into northern New England, and the trough axis then continues with a deep low now crossing up the Great Lakes, a cold front moving through the region on Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. Very high precipitable water values, water-loaded clouds, and showers and thunderstorms propagating the forecast region on Monday evening. A better chance for heavy showers and thunderstorms with strong damaging winds and hail and also damaging lightning will occur during the day on Tuesday and Tuesday night as the low builds towards New England and drives the cold front towards the eastern United States coast with copious amounts of water on the way. Showers and thunderstorms could be damaging in some of these storms. And high pressure builds in across the forecast region from Wednesday into early Thursday and the beginning part of the weekend, and then things become bifurcated again as we get into more storminess, possibly developing around here by late next week into the following weekend. So you have a pleasant Friday and a fantastic weekend. We'll be back in video form bright and early on Monday morning. For Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith.